Welcome to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix your problems step by step, one step at a time. In today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how you guys can create yourself an Aliexpress account on your PC, on your browser. And even if you're using your mobile phone, you can open browser on your mobile phone and follow the step which I'm gonna be showing in order to create an Aliexpress account, alright? So follow the step. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, you want to search for Aliexpress. Once you search for Aliexpress, you want to click on the link where it says aliexpress.com. So Aliexpress is like an online retail store. It's similar to Amazon, right? But Amazon is based on US, but it is internationally as well, but mainly it's based on US, well as Aliexpress is like a Chinese online store where you guys can buy Chinese product. All right, in Aliexpress, what you want to do is click on register account and click on register. Once you click on it, it's gonna take you to the registering page. Over here you can choose which country you belong to. After you do that, you need to enter your email address. All right, once you enter your email address over here, what you want to do is create a password for your account. And after you create the password for your account over here, you need to click on create account. Once you do that, an account under this information will be created. All right, and if you want to create an account using Facebook, you can click on Facebook and enter your Facebook's login detail, and an account on your Facebook will be created, similar with Google, Twitter, and Apple ID as well. All right, but if you don't want to create with these, then you need to use your email, your passport, click on create account, and your account will be created. All right, so yeah, that easy to create yourself an Aliexpress account. Once you create yourself an Aliexpress account, you can buy whichever product you want from this website. All right, it's that simple. So hope you guys understand. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One Step if you understand this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.